All right, recording is rolling. It's Tuesday, May 23rd. Well, this class it is, and we're doing the final exam here because it's seventh period, so we're doing final exam. Okay, this is today's schedule. Here's the schedule for the week. I'm just making a video that I'll put on classroom for everybody. All right. So here's Tuesday's schedule. Each of the next 3 days is going to be a short day. You guys get out at 2:15, and you only have 2 classes per each of the next 3 days. So Wednesday it goes classes 6 and 5, Thursday classes 4 and 3, and finally very last day of school Friday it's periods 2 and 1, and you'll have your exams then. Right, so one of the questions I've been getting is how do you know what you have to score on the exam to get like such and such grade in class? So here it goes like this. Okay. Here's how your overall semester 2 grade is calculated. Remember, nothing from semester 1 counts. So anything December and before it doesn't count. It's only starting in January. Right? So you take 2/5 of your quarter 3 score, add 2/5 of your quarter 4 score, add 1/5 of your exam score, and that gives your overall grade. Or you can think of it like 40%, 40%, 20%. Okay. Right. Now that's how it's calculated. But you're probably more interested in, well, what do I have to score on this exam to score such and such grade? This grade, if you want to get an A, maybe you put in like 89.5. If you, or let's just call it a 90, right? If you want a B, you can call this an 80. If you want to get a C, you can call this a 70, right? You guys get the idea, right? Like what are the threshold values to get such letter grade, right? Well, this just turns into an algebra problem. So I have a couple of algebra steps, and you can solve what you need to score on some exam to get like such and such desired grade. So it comes out like 5 times what you want minus 2 times quarter 3 minus 2 times quarter 4. Okay, right. We'll tell you exactly what you have to score on the exam. Right? You guys get that? Right. Questions so far? Right. So if you want to get this exam in your hands, I don't think you guys have a problem with time, so I think it'll be fine. Right, we got a couple hours to do this. Right. So I did get everybody this grid. Everybody's got this grid. Oh, here, can you pass some of those grids back? Well, these grids, can you pass those back? Oh, yeah, thank you. Right, so notice it's numbered 1 through 100. You guys see that? Because there are 100 questions, exactly like they were on the study guide. We've covered every single question and every single answer, right? Okay. Now, you guys see at the top it says name. Write your name. Okay. So you guys just write your name on your grid, right? Now, this is the only paper you're writing on because I'm also going to give you guys this multiple choice exam packet, and this one I'm recycling for all my classes. So guys, are you guys going to write on the packet? No. Okay. Good call. The answer was no. Okay, you guys got that right. Okay. You're only going to write on the grid, right? You're only writing on this. Okay. Now you guys see next to it says key, right? You guys see this? Now there are different versions of the exam. They're all the same questions. The numbers might be different. One paper might say 5 volts. The other one says 10 volts. The multiple choice answers might be scrambled in different orders, but other than that, they're all the same questions. Okay. Right. So, you guys see here it says. Here, let me zoom in a bit. Zoom in where you guys can see this. This one says key C. See where it says key C? Right. So I'll have you guys, whatever letter this is, just go ahead and copy paste that right there. And then I'll know which key to use to grade. Okay. Also make a trip around the room because there's always a couple students that miss that. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. You guys good?
Can you show the formula again for the calculation?
Yeah. Here you go. Okay. Might just leave this up here for you guys. All right, so I'm just gonna close down this recording and then get you guys an exam packet and get you guys on your way.